Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So last episode I did an unboxing for the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but today we're going to talk about the Glossy Box. So Glossy Box is something that I had never heard of. It's definitely something that I had to research, but it had a lot of really great reviews. This is not sponsored. I actually bought this myself. And it comes in a really cute little glossy box like this. And let's open it up. So, oh, by the way, if you love my video and you want to see more, there's the little subscribe button right at the bottom. You'll see the little subscribe icon right here. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring the little bell that's right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified of any other videos that I let out. And yeah, like the video if you really love me, and I hope you do. On to the Bossy Box. So this is really cute. So Ipsy does a really good job of putting it all together, but this is just super elegant. This is really my style. We're gonna open this guy up. Oh, I love everything should be wrapped like this. Box, tissue, has a little sticker right there to seal it up. It looked like it was hand-tied little bow. Super gorgeous. Really excited about this. All right, so as I read reviews, I thought that this was actually going to be sample sizes, but it looks like they are either bonus sample size or full size. And the first little guy that's up here is the True and Luscious Camera Powder, Invisible Setting Powder. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be like the Universal Powder from Laura Mercier or the HD Powder from Makeup Forever. But let's open it up and feel the texture. So this is a really thin compact. Yeah, pretty much. So this is going to be a really nice setting powder. It's super, oh wow, that is super duper lightweight. That's gorgeous. Okay, so HD powders were designed to set foundation but not absorb oil. So if you are a drier skin type, this is a really great one for you. I would put it on with a brush, never with a powder puff on this guy. You want to use just a little bit. Using too much will give you that kind of white ghosty look in pictures, and that's exactly what you're trying to avoid with this powder. It's an HD powder, I think, if it's anything like the other powders that I was talking about, and it just sets so that you set it and forget it. We're gonna definitely use this in our look. This is Amazing Makeup Remover. Oh, I think this is one of those that you don't need water for. Important, wash it first. After initial washing, your makeup remover is ready to use. Simply wet remover towel with warm water. Begin removing makeup using downward wiping motions. Repeat as necessary. The Amazing Makeup Remover easily lifts and removes makeup from skin without the use of any soaps and makeup removing solution. Okay. Care for your Amazing Makeup Remover by running it through the washing machine to clean as needed. I've heard of these. I've never actually used one, so this is going to be really fun to use. When I do sit down to film, I do put on a little bit of powder and foundation, so we will take that off with this little guy today, see how that works. Next, this is the Rose Water Balancing Mist by Jurlique. This gets amazing reviews, like crazy amazing reviews. And it is a mini, so this is gonna be cute. It's a glass bottle. Oh, so I'm not normally a rose water type of guy. Chantecaille makes a really beautiful rose water spray that I actually really do love. But this has a really light rose fragrance to it. Whoa, that sprayer is aggressive. Hold on. All right. So this is the Pixie Glow Mist. This was in the Ipsy box. I'm going to just show you the difference between the two sprayers because this is like interesting. So Pixi does a great job with their mist. The sprayer is like a cloud. It's just so pretty. This guy is a spray. Like it's just completely sprays out. I would probably not recommend using this if you're wearing foundation and you're trying to set your powder, because this is just gonna wet all over the face unless you spray and kind of walk through it. But that defeats the purpose of the spray. Still gonna use it. I think I'll still love it, but the sprayer is a little aggressive. So this is the Lighten Denny Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray for nail polish. So Ipsy Box came with this little nail polish, and now I have something to quick dry it with. We're gonna try those out. And I think lastly in here is the Oryza Beauty lipstick. It looks like it's gonna be a matte. I hope that you guys can see the color. It's like pink and it has a soft matte finish. You know what? I want to try it on. So most all makeup that I get, as a makeup artist, I want to make sure that everything, the textures that I'm using are really pretty and I can really speak to the way that it's going to wear. So everything that I ever get makeup wise, I always try on myself first to make sure that I'm going to like it and that my clients are going to like it. Let's try this out, see what it looks like. I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my lips. It's like if I put a lip balm on. The color is really pretty. Doesn't have a flavor. And has just like a really beautiful soft matte finish. I'm digging this. I'm gonna have to look up this company and see what other colors they have. So kind of recapping really quick, we had first the Camera powder, and this is going to be the True and Luscious Camera powder HD. A little bit, really light brush. I would use a fan brush or a stippling brush for this. I would try to avoid using something super dense because it's going to apply too much powder and might give you ghost face in pictures. We had also the Jurlique Rose Water Balancing Mist. Beautiful mist, great smell, cooling. I liked the mist. I did not like the sprayer, but we're still gonna use it. We also had in this little box the lipstick that I tried on, and I really did like the color. And not to forget the Miracle Mist that sets the nail polish. We will try this out later. Probably not on me, but we'll see if my friend Chelsea really wants to try it on. And that's it. So super exciting. We're gonna see if we can use these in an upcoming video so that you guys can see what they look like on the skin. Again, if you liked the video, please give me a little thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that little bell to get notifications of any future videos that I do. This was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and be kind to each other. We'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.